Welcome to this exciting video where we explore the fascinating connection between AI and robotics. Today, we'll uncover how these two groundbreaking technologies complement each other and shape our world. By the end of this video, you'll have a deeper understanding of how AI and robotics work hand in hand to revolutionize industries and redefine the future. Let's begin with the basics. What is robotics? Robotics is the branch of technology that deals with the design, construction, operation, and use of robots. Robots are programmable machines capable of performing tasks autonomously or semi-autonomously. Now, what is artificial intelligence, or AI? AI refers to the simulation of human intelligence in machines. It enables machines to learn from data, make decisions, and solve problems. So, where do AI and robotics intersect? AI serves as the brain of robots, providing them with the ability to process information and adapt to their environment. Robotics, on the other hand, provides the body, enabling robots to move, interact, and manipulate objects in the physical world. Think of AI as the intelligence and robotics as the physical form. Together, they create intelligent machines. One of the most common examples of this connection is autonomous vehicles. Self-driving cars combine robotic systems for navigation and AI algorithms for decision-making. AI analyzes data from sensors and cameras, while robotics controls the vehicle's movements. Let's look at another example: industrial automation. In manufacturing, robots equipped with AI can perform complex tasks like assembling products, inspecting quality, and even predicting maintenance needs. This synergy enhances efficiency, precision, and productivity. AI also enables robots to learn new tasks through techniques like machine learning. Instead of programming a robot for every specific task, AI allows it to adapt and improve through experience. In healthcare, AI-powered robots assist in surgeries, patient care, and rehabilitation. For instance, robotic surgical systems use AI to perform minimally invasive procedures with incredible accuracy. In agriculture, AI-driven robots help with planting, harvesting, and monitoring crops. They use AI to analyze soil conditions, detect pests, and optimize yields. Search and rescue missions also benefit from the AI-robotics connection. Robots equipped with AI navigate dangerous environments, locate survivors, and deliver aid. But how do these systems achieve such capabilities? AI in robotics relies on techniques like computer vision, natural language processing, and machine learning. Computer vision enables robots to perceive and interpret visual data from cameras and sensors. Natural language processing allows robots to understand and respond to human speech. Machine learning trains robots to recognize patterns, make predictions, and refine their actions over time. These technologies give robots the ability to interact with their surroundings and perform tasks intelligently. However, the AI-robotics connection is not without challenges. One major challenge is developing robots that can understand and respond to unpredictable real-world scenarios. For instance, a robot in a factory operates in a controlled environment, but a delivery robot navigating a busy city faces constant variables. Another challenge is ensuring the safety and ethical use of AI-powered robots. As robots become more autonomous, ensuring they act responsibly and align with human values is critical. There are also concerns about job displacement due to automation. While AI and robotics create new opportunities, they also raise questions about workforce adaptation. Despite these challenges, the potential of AI and robotics is immense. From smart homes and education to space exploration and beyond, these technologies continue to push boundaries. Imagine a future where robots not only assist but collaborate with humans in creative and meaningful ways. AI and robotics have already transformed how we live, work, and interact with technology. As these fields evolve, their connection will play an even greater role in shaping the world around us. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the fascinating world of AI and robotics. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights into the incredible advancements in technology. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring the power of AI and robotics.